What if I told you the secret to a premium, profitable furniture finish isn't what you think? It's in the oil. Today, we're testing 5 unconventional oils to find out which one gives the most premium look and which could boost your profits. We have Tung, teak, Danish, hemp, and hardwax oil, all applied to the exact same wood. Let's see how they perform. First up, Tung oil. It soaks in deep, enhancing the grain beautifully. The finish is hard wearing and has a classic rich look. Next, teak oil. It's known for its protective qualities, giving a warm golden hue. It's a popular choice for outdoor furniture. Danish oil is a blend that penetrates and seals the wood. It gives a very smooth, even finish that's both durable and attractive. Hemp oil is a natural, food-safe option. It gives a more subtle, matte finish that really highlights the wood's natural beauty. Finally, hardwax oil. This one forms a protective wax barrier on top. The finish is rich, robust, and has a beautiful, soft sheen. Now for the moment of truth, looking at all 5, which one screams premium? Which one would make a customer pay more? In my eyes, Tung oil and hardwax oil create the most luxurious finishes, a look that can command a higher price and increase your profit margin. The big lesson here is this: the finish is your final sales pitch. It can turn a good piece into a premium product that customers covet. But I want to know what you think. Which finish is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, hit that subscribe button for more tips on making your woodworking more profitable. Thanks for watching.